Hello, how to solve this problem? This is b plus b plus b equals b times b. Solving for all values of b that satisfies this equation. B plus b is 2b plus b. This is 3b equals b times b squared times b. That is b to the power of 3. So the next thing we are going to do will be to move this over here. So this is 0 equals b power 3 minus 3b. So what we can do next is to rearrange this. Have b power 3 minus 3b equals 0. So from here, I can decide to factor out b. I have b times b power 3 divides b. I have b power 2 minus 3b divides b. I have 3. And this equals 0. So we equate b to 0. And we also equate b power 2 minus 3 equals 0. Now let's consider this. If I have square root of a to the power of 2, this is the same thing as writing a because the square root can eliminate the square. So instead of writing 3 here, I'm going to replace it with square root of 3. And this is raised to the power of 2 because this can easily eliminate this, and we simply have b power 2 minus this, and this equals 0. So 3 and square root of 3 power 2 is the same thing. Why did we do this? Because we want to make use of difference of two squares. So remember, if you have a squared minus b squared, this equals a minus b times a plus b. So in this case, my a is b, and my b in this particular identity is square root of 3. So let's apply this right here. So we have a minus b, that is b minus root 3 times b plus root 3. And this equals 0. So what we can do next will be to equate each of these to 0. I have b minus root 3 equals 0. I have b plus root 3 equals 0. Now, if b minus root 3 equals 0, I can solve for b. That means b equals root 3. This can be my b2. And if b plus root 3 equals 0, I can have b equals minus root 3. And this is my b3. So we have 3 values for b, which are simply, we have b1 is 0, b2 is root 3, and b3 is negative root 3. Next step will be to verify each of these solutions. So we have verify b times, it was b plus b equals b times b times b. Let's start with when b is 0. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0 times 0 times 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. You add 0 again, that is 0. 0 times 0 is 0 times 0 is 0. This has proven to be correct. So let's consider when b is root 3. So we have b plus b equals b times b, and our b is root 3. We have root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 equals root 3 times root 3 times root 3. So root 3 plus root 3, that is 2 root 3, plus this is root 3 again, equals root 3 times root 3, that is root 9 times root 3. 2 root 3 plus root 3, this is 3 root 3, equals root 9 times root 3. Root 9 is 3, and this is times root 3. So 3 root 3 is the same as 3 times root 3, that is 3 root 3. Left hand side equals right hand side, that is correct again. So this also is a correct solution. So that means we can also take it correct. Now let's consider the last one here, which is negative root 3. So we consider negative root 3. So our B3 is negative root 3. So we have B plus B plus B equals B times B times B. So this is 3B equals B power 3. We substitute this for B, or let's still make use of this. Negative root 3 plus negative root 3 plus negative root 3 equals negative root 3 times negative root 3 times negative root 3. So when you have negative root 3 plus negative root 3, this is negative 2 root 3 plus negative root 3 equals negative root 3 times negative root 3. This is positive root 9, because negative times negative is positive. We have positive root 9. Now, times negative root 3. So from here again, you have negative 2 root 3 plus negative root 3 is negative 3 root 3 equals root 9. Here is 3 times negative root 3. And this is negative 3 root 3 equals, this is 3 times negative root 3 is negative 3 root 3. This and this are also the same, so that is it. So guys, this is how you solve this problem and finding all the values of B that satisfy this equation, guys. So that is it, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you, and drop a comment on the comment box. I would really appreciate that. See you again in our next video. Goodbye and bye-bye.